Blake, you okay?
Next time you're feeling you want to stay home, you stay home.
I'm okay. But Dad, the deer, and now this.
I know.
It can't be a coincidence.
Mr. Argent, you wouldn't have any insight into this, would you?
Me?
Yeah. It's all this bizarre animal behavior. You must have seen something like this before, right?
I'm not sure why I would or why you would think I would.
I'm sorry. I could have sworn I overheard my son talking about how you're an experienced hunter.
Ah, right. Well, not anymore.
You all right?
We got a serious problem in school. Miss Blake's class.
Can you tell me about it later?
Well, no, pretty sure this qualifies for immediate discussion.
All right, then meet me at Derek's.
Derek's house? What? What the hell are you doing at...
Just meet us here, okay? You don't still live here, do you?
No. The county took it over, but there's something here that I need. To help heal a wound from an alpha.
Yeah, but it did heal.
Not on the inside.
Hey, you can tell me who that was back there? That alpha?
The rival pack. It's my problem. I know you want to help, and you did. I owe you one. Now go home. Go back to being a teenager.
Hey, Derek. If you want to repay back that favor now, there is something you can do for me.
Is it me, or is Beacon Hills turning into more like Beacon for the totally bizarre and supernatural?
Where's Scott McCall? You're Allison, right?
Yeah, how do you know?
Where's Scott?
He had to leave. He's supposed to be back in class.
Is he coming back?
Hey, he's a physicality, sweetheart.
Well, she bruised me.
Huh. Me too.
Come on, let's get you two girls out of here. School can wait another day. Sweetheart? Hey, you don't have to worry about this anymore. Remember our agreement? We stay in Beacon Hills, but only if we stay out of this. It's not a problem now. Okay?
We've had 15 calls in the past hour. I got a suicidal deer, birds flying through windows, pets behaving aggressively. I gotta tell you, I'm starting to think there's something in the water.
To be honest, I was going to give you a call about an incident of my own. At first, I thought it might have had a break-in. Some sick individual looking to release some particularly violent impulse, until I got a closer look and realized what actually happened. They did it to themselves.
There, I see it. It's 2 bands, right? What does it mean?
I don't know. It's just something I traced with my fingers.
Why is it so important to you?
Do you know what the word tattoo means? To mark something. Well, that's in Tahitian. In Samoan, it means open wound. I knew I wanted to get a tattoo when I turned 18. I always wanted one. just decided to get it now to make it kind of a reward.
For what?
For not calling or texting Allison all summer. Even when I really wanted to, even when it was so hard not to sometimes. I was trying to give her the space she wants. You know, and 4 months later, it still hurts. Still feels like an open wound. Yeah.
Pain's gonna be worse than anything you've ever felt.
Oh, it's great. Do it.
Oh, wow. That's a lot for me, so I'm gonna take that as my cue. I'm just gonna wait outside.
Nope. You need help holding him down.